Hi, this is Brett Taylor at Taylor & Son Chevrolet. This is our 2007 Chrysler Town & Country LX minivan. You can see wheels, tires are in excellent shape. They're a good set of Michelins. This one has all the equipment that most people are looking for if you're in a minivan. This is a non-smoking vehicle. Carpet and floor coverings are all in very nice shape. You can see the passenger side seating area. It is equipped with a CD and cassette player, dual zone climate control, rear air conditioning and heat. You have an overhead trip computer along with universal home remote. This vehicle is equipped with the Chrysler exclusive stow and go second and third row seating, and you have the second row bucket seats for the vehicle, and you will have storage and cargo area for the seats down below here. It is equipped with a 3-passenger third row seat. This is a 7-passenger minivan. Coming along the side of it, no big dents, stings, scratches. See the rear profile of the vehicle. Passenger side. This is the extended wheelbase, so you have a little bit more room behind the third row seating. Let's see another good look at the second row buckets. You can view this Town & Country and all of our inventory online at tschevy.com or call us at 800-866-2138 and ask for the sales department. Thanks for looking.